Today, we see that Bitcoin is pumping past 38,000, looking very bullish. We're going to take a look at those charts to see what's going on. Also want to talk to you guys about some other cryptos making some waves right now, doing some pretty dope things, and a potential airdrop for you guys to look into. So let's just get right into this action-packed video. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today, first and foremost, what's up with y'all? Shout out to you guys on this happy Tuesday. Thank you guys for clicking on the video, liking the video, and sharing it with your subscribers. On this video, we're gonna bring you all of the gems and alpha to do good in this crypto market. So let's get this money together. The first thing that I want to talk to you guys about is this right here for the users of Bybit, for the users of Coinbase, and for all the users of this market right now. Bitcoin exchange Coinbase sent an email to users about Bybit exchange. Now, we know about all this news with Binance and CZ going on right now. It hasn't really had a big dent on the crypto market so far. We actually see that Bitcoin is actually pumping today amidst this news that Binance is going down. I'm sorry, Chico Crypto. We're not going into oblivion right now, at least yet. We're going to take a look at the charts and see what I mean in a minute. But right now, Coinbase is warning users about Bybit, basically saying, hey, the SEC, the CFTC, they're asking us questions about users who sent money from Coinbase to Bybit. As you guys know, in the US, Coinbase is one of the best places to onboard with fiat, and then people send that off to other exchanges, other wallets, etc. So they're warning people that the CFTC wants to know about Bybit right now. Bybit is a very big exchange, and they do a lot of volume, and there's a lot of people who leverage trade on Bybit. They make a lot of money on Bybit. A lot of influencers promote Bybit. You guys have probably seen that, but it would be pretty bad if they went after Bybit at this point in time, which they will. They absolutely will. They're coming for Bybit. They're coming for Kucoin. They're coming for Mexi. They're coming for all of those. They just had to take care of CZ first because he was the biggest one. He's like the ringleader. So just something to keep in mind right there. And also remember to take your crypto off of exchanges. Use a hardware wallet. Right now there's deals going on. You can get one for free. Also with the Ledger X, you can connect it right to your MetaMask to make sure you click that button so people can just withdraw your cryptos off of your MetaMask if you click the wrong link through some phishing or something like that. But just a reminder, don't be holding cryptos on exchanges. It's okay to use them to hold, to trade, but don't be holding them on there for sure. Coming up right here, we got this Bitcoin turns bullish again amidst dovish Fed. So the Fed is basically saying inflation is still too high. We need to get inflation down below 2%. We don't know why these markets are pumping. Now, let me just say this. Inflation is not going back below 2%. It's not going to happen based on all the, just from the money that was printed alone during, the pandemic, that it's not going back below 2%. But right now they're still dovish on it. But look at this chart. Bitcoin is looking very nice. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mute this red line right here. I'm going to just take it off the chart because this is what was on the chart for the last couple of weeks. And we can see that we had this upward trajectory right here, which this is usually a bearish pattern that breaks down to the lower side. But when we look at the past in Bitcoin, we can see that we usually have this pattern before a bull run. We had it right here. And then we have it, and then things went crazy right there, beginning of the bull run. And we have it right here. It's looking very similar. It's well above the 200 moving average right here in this area. Over here, we were well above the 200 moving average in that area. And now we look like we want to pump a little bit higher. So this is what a lot of people are looking at. I'm like, hey, we got to break some more levels first. So I added this line right here to the charts to say that this is still a valid trend line right here, which shows that we can still be in this really bearish territory of this breaking down to the, to the downside. Once that happens, we get a target of, some very low numbers. If we break down from right now, we're talking about, hey, we might try to come and test like, 30K. Basically, I got the 31 in the chart right here. Basically, I have this 31K marked off right here. This is a level that I would like to see Bitcoin retest and before it shoots back off. But what's interesting about it, if the price gets, pressing all type of stuff. Anyways, if the price gets rejected on this line right here, then the next level that it would come would be down here to this line, 31K. So let's see that play out and hold that level. Hopefully this 200 moving average is around that level as well. We bounce on the 200, we could continue higher. That's the bullish hopes that we have right now for sure. So that's just something to look at as far as the market is concerned. I don't think we're in the clear yet. Don't think we're out of the water yet. Be very, very cautious. It is not time to sell a house and go into crypto. And this is not financial advice, but don't ever do nothing like that. Don't put yourself into risk for something that's a gamble. But right here, I want to talk about next is Portal airdrop farming is live only at crystal-co. So right now you can farm this Portal airdrop. Portal is a gaming crypto that has not been released yet, but they're doing a SocialFi experiments. Me personally, I don't really believe in SocialFi. I haven't seen one social media cryptocurrency that has given me the idea that this has a good long-term potential. I personally think that people on social media don't really care about earning micropayments, but that's a different story for a different video. Right now, the Portal airdrop is live. You got to make comment about this. I also posted on Twitter. I don't really like these type of airdrops. The distribution ends up sucking. The people with the biggest followings ends up getting the distribution ends up funneling into those people. Nonetheless, like, still participate in it, still get yourself some coins, still see how it goes. This is the dashboard right here. You can see I have 0 points. You guys go to my Twitter and comment on my Portal post. Let's see if I can get some points. Maybe I'll do a giveaway or something. But either way, don't have any points. Portal is live. I'll put a link for this in the description if you guys want to participate. It's always good to just put that information out there for people to utilize it if they actually want to. So a couple other things that I wanted to talk to you guys about from my Twitter post. We have a couple of projects that are doing some very nice things right now that I just wanted to bring back up to your attention. One of those projects is going to be Alchemix. So Alchemix just had a partner with Fidepool, but I do like Alchemix and the things that you can do on there. You can actually get a crypto loan and have the loan be paid back with your interest. I started this experiment 2 years ago. The loan paid itself off. Pretty dope. Got some money, didn't have to worry about it. Withdrawed my crypto after, and it was all good. So Alchemix is something that it does work, and we'll talk about some updates on that in the future. Luxo, somebody asked me for an update on Luxo, so I got you, bro. I told you this week, most likely Friday, we're going to be doing a Luxo update. We have right here, no one in crypto has successfully pilot programs in the real world other than Track. The team is continually solving problems outside the world space and is receiving the biggest funding yet from the EU. So Track getting some funding from the government. Dope to see. You guys know that Track is one of my top cryptos for sure. Shout out to this girl who spit on those protesters at the mall in my city. She definitely should have got smacked because you don't spit on people. That's just bad. Anyway, different subject for a different day. Last thing I want to talk to is shout out to Dungnum PI right here, where he's basically talking about the pro consensus. People are talking about BTC, people are talking about Caspa, but the proof of stake people are going for security and leaving out the fact that it's so slow. The proof of work people are going for security and leaving out the fact that it's so slow. The proof of stake people are ignoring all of the risk involved with having some of the biggest holders of a protocol get, a lot of those tokens, which is going to centralize these proof of stake protocols. Maybe not right now, but in the future, as if you're a whale and you're compounding these protocols, these proof of stake protocols, you're going to have a higher majority stake, and we already see some VCs doing it. So it is getting ignored right now. But this concept of proof of reputable observation, or PRO, you can see both POS and POW and POS have played pivotal roles, blah, 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 blah. However, he goes down to explain, but here's where Constellation Pro comes in. Proof of reputable observation is a different consensus model that solves some of the problems of proof of stake and proof of work. So that's DAG. That's DAG, you guys. So big on DAG still. So in this video, big on DAG, big on track. Check out that portal. The prices are looking very interesting right now. Remember, do not keep your money on these exchanges, especially Bybit or Kucoin. And yeah, y'all think positive and positive things will happen. RIP to Crypto Roots. Subscribe to the channel. We on the road to 10K right now. Remember, never finish a negative statement about currency. Till next time, peace.